for my watch, be flooded. I can't be drinking no regular soda. All of my cups be muddy. I just came home with nothing. Now I'm up all of a sudden. Hey, now I'm up all of a sudden. Hey, now I'm up all of a sudden. Hey, hey. Money bag, money bag. I'm in the booth with a money bag. Right now. Here go the bricks where the money at. Give me a low.
Alrighty, so I started out with no makeup on at all, looking kind of crazy, but it is totally okay because I went ahead and did my makeup, and this is what it looks like. So I've already braided my hair. I went ahead and just added a few plaits to the front, just took a few pieces or sections, added rubber bands to the first 2 rows, and then connected those rubber band pieces or make them into a braid. It's easier to see than to explain it, but you can see what I did there. Just braided it all the way down. I'm just securing and making sure that I can crochet it, and this was my first time doing it, so I didn't record the braiding process, but if you guys want a detailed look on how I did that to make it look more natural, then let me know. So I'm going to use these jumbo Senegalese twists that I got from my local beauty supply store, and also this crochet hook, and I'm just going to go in like I do whenever I'm crocheting my hair. Pull the crochet hook through, open the loop or open that hook, connect the hair, close it, pull it through, secure the knots, and that's pretty much it. So I'm not going to be too detailed because this is like my 15th crochet hair video. The only difference with this one, I would say, is the braid pattern. Now I had to go check the mail, and I put this headband on, and honestly, if I would have done this in a way where I could wear a headband or kind of do the twisty thing, I thought that would be cute, so I thought I'd show you guys that. How cute is that? So moving on, I ended up using about 5 packs of hair on my head. This is pack 3, and I'm just adding it now. And it actually turned out really good. If you can see, I'm just adding the crochets like I normally would if it were a braid. I think the crochet the plaits just help create a good foundation for making it look like you have individual braids, even though you don't. And on the areas where there is a rubber band, I just made sure I never took the crochet hoop through the rubber band. I just took it through the spaces between the braids where it was connected, and I just tried to make sure the rubber bands were covered. I used black rubber bands. You may use a different color depending on what color your hair is, but honestly it was kind of easy to cover the rubber bands. So I'm gonna just add some hair to this part to make it look more natural, and I'll be right back. So now I am pretty much done with this hairstyle. If you guys like this look, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment below any other hairstyles or videos you'd like me to do. And if you haven't already, guys, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Please help me reach that goal. Thank you guys so much for tuning in already. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. And until next time, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.